Hello, in front of me I've got BMW F40. In this video I'll tell you how safe this car is. The BMW Series F40 scored 5 stars in Euro NCAP test. It offers multiple airbags, active safety systems like lane departure warning, forward collision warning and emergency braking. Optional driving assistant pack with blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control and rear cross traffic alert. Overall, it is very safe for its class, matching rivals like Audi A3 and Mercedes A-Class. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.